The misunderstanding most commonly is that it's not a generator. It does not collect energy. We have an electric motor that makes it spin, and by the spinning we create higher pressure on the other side, lower pressure on the other side, and that creates the thrust. My name is Heikki and I'm the CEO of Norsepower. We are a Finnish high technology company. We are doing a green tech product. Our product is rotary sail, so we do wind-assisted propulsion systems for ships. Our sail and on the average reduce from 5 to 25% of the emissions and the fuel consumption. A lot of deliveries. We have already more than 40 sails working around the world, and we have more than 40 being produced in our factory in Dafeng in Yancheng. This is the sample how the sail looks like. So we make this sail spin like 200 rounds per minute, and this is how we create the thrust and put the ship forward. We have two different types of foundation. One is like here, fixed one, and then we have other one where we can tilt down the whole rotor sail, just to enable better cargo handling operations. What's actually very important with the sail is the artificial intelligence, all the controls of the ship. Not only this product itself, all the intelligence of the brains, how to steer, how to optimize wind-assisted propulsion together with underwater propulsion, ship's heading, waves, wind conditions, and everything. And when you put all these together, it is this full-fledged control system that we have.